The profound implications of integrating human thought with advanced robotic prosthetics are explored. A fascinating glimpse into a future where minds seamlessly command machines is offered. We are standing on the edge of an era where human intentions are no longer limited by biology and age, where the power of thought alone can move metal, reshape lives, and redefine what it means to be human. The dawn of thought control. Imagine lifting a glass of water without muscles. Imagine typing an email without hands. Imagine walking again after paralysis. This is no longer science fiction. It's happening now. Thanks to groundbreaking innovations like neural implants, brain-machine interfaces, and AI-assisted signal decoding, doctors and engineers can now translate brain activity directly into mechanical motion. Paralyzed patients are using robotic arms just by thinking. Amputees can feel movement again through artificial limbs. And pilots are testing drones that respond to brain waves instead of joysticks. For the first time in human history, technology is adapting to us instead of the other way around. This isn't just about prosthetics. It's the beginning of a new chapter of human evolution where our thoughts become tools. Beyond disability, augmenting humanity, mind-controlled bionics began as a lifeline. A chance to restore abilities lost to injury, disease, or war. But now, researchers are asking a bold question. Why stop at restoring when we can enhance? With advanced robotics, human strength could surpass limits. Precision could reach surgical perfection. New sensory abilities, infrared sight, earthquake-level hearing are no longer imaginary. We could become faster, stronger, smarter, more capable than biology allows. But this power raises a critical ethical challenge. Where is the line between healing and upgrading? If enhanced prosthetics outperform natural limbs, does disability become an advantage? Do some people become more human than others? The choices we make today will shape future generations and determine whether technology becomes a bridge or a barrier. The science under the skin. How can a thought move a machine? It all begins with neurons, tiny messengers firing electrical signals in your brain every second. Brain-machine interfaces capture those signals through neural implants placed directly on the brain, EEG headsets that read brainwave patterns, AI models trained to interpret intention. These signals are translated into commands that robotic limbs can execute: grasp, rotate, walk, or even write. Meanwhile, haptic feedback systems send sensations back to the brain, providing touch, pressure, and motion awareness. It means a robotic hand can feel the softness of fabric or the warmth of a loved one's hand. But the science is still evolving. Major challenges remain: signal clarity. Brains are noisy, implants degrade. Learning curve, users must train mind and machine to communicate. Longevity, implants must survive decades inside living tissue. It is a remarkable collaboration between biology and engineering, a delicate dance where thought becomes action. Societal shifts and ethical questions. As mind-controlled bionics advance, the world must prepare for profound societal change. If prosthetic strength outmatches human muscle, will athletes compete on equal terms? If brain-linked workers can operate faster and smarter, will traditional jobs disappear? If only the wealthy can afford these upgrades. Will society divide into enhanced and ordinary humans? Who owns the data coming from your brain? Can your thoughts be hacked? Can memories be stolen? Mind-machine integration forces us to confront the very core of our identity. If machines become part of us, what defines a human? These questions are not for the future, they are here now. And the answers will shape the moral foundation of tomorrow. The future is now. What's next? The mind-machine revolution isn't coming, it has already begun to take shape in laboratories and research centers across the world. The next generation of neural engineering focuses on seamless integration, eliminating bulky wires and external hardware. Wireless brain implants are being designed to transmit thoughts directly to prosthetics or digital systems, giving users complete freedom of movement without physical constraints. Full-body robotic exoskeletons powered purely by neural intention are moving from experimental trials into real-world development, creating possibilities where paralysis no longer means immobility. AI-powered adaptation is further accelerating progress. Instead of patients training the device, intelligent algorithms are learning the user, predicting intentions faster than the brain can consciously react. This means a prosthetic limb that feels natural, intuitive, and almost indistinguishable from a biological one. But prosthetics are only the beginning. Researchers are exploring mind-operated vehicles, drones that respond to thought alone, and homes that adjust lighting, temperature, and doors with no physical action required. Digital avatars could become direct extensions of our identities, allowing us to exist simultaneously in multiple virtual environments. And then comes the most radical possibility: brain-to-brain communication. A future where language itself could become optional. Pure thought shared instantly, no speech, no gestures, just understanding. This isn't simply about replacing what was lost. It is a future where independence is restored, where the disabled become empowered, where the human mind becomes the ultimate interface. Mind-controlled bionics isn't just a scientific breakthrough, it's the next leap in human evolution. A future where disability no longer defines ability, machines extend our identity, and the limits of the body become new possibilities. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe to Top 10 Explorer. Until next time, keep exploring.